welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be doing some unboxing from Amazon, which includes some stuff from your skincare. So let us begin. So recently I did some purchases. Let me see if these are the ones that I wanted to speak on. Yes. So, your girl has been taking that step in the little soft girl era, embracing my embracing my femininity. So I am going to revisit makeup. So I love makeup, as in I love the idea of makeup, but I am a bit lazy to do the makeup on myself because I'm a get up and go girl, which is why my hair is always in some braid or done in some style because I prefer sleep. So if I can sleep an extra 10 minutes, I'll do so. So that's eliminate me doing makeup or doing my hair. I will prefer the easier lifestyle. But just in case the girl is going somewhere, you know, she can do her simple makeup by on her own. Doesn't need to go to a professional because I have the basics, right? So I bought some. I didn't know it was this small though. I bought some Real Technique, but it's a mini sponge. So this can probably be for traveling or for small areas. Um, so I got these, and I also got the regular size. Thank God that I got the regular size as well. I had this in the past, and majority of my makeup stuff tend to expire on me because if you don't know, after you open it, you have to pay attention to the shelf life, right? So it always have a little jar that's open, and you see the number of months on it, whether it's 2 years, 12, 24 months, 12 months, or 36, you see it on the package. So once you open it and it passed the 2 year mark, which is 24 months on this, 2 years, you have to throw it away. It's a shelf life has passed. That's tip of the day, okay? If you never know. Once it's sealed though, it's good. And once you open it, that's the shelf life start to count down. So I bought this. I bought the original, not original. I bought this first when I was in Panama, right, for an event, and I left my foundation. So I run across the store. I run across the road from the hotel, and they had a little pharmacy type of drugstore type of thing. So they had the Revlon, right? Color Stay, and this should be in the shade Caramel. When I put this on, oh my god, it's just, you think it's skin, you think it's my skin. So I can't get the original one I tend to buy, which is the Maybelline Super Stay in Warm Coconut. I'm not seeing it. So right now I'm sticking with the Revlon Color Stay because it actually it works basically. This is just a regular staple. I tend to purchase it. No, I'm not expecting, but it is good to rub on your skin where this is stretch mark prone. But we gain and lose weight and so forth. So I just use it right around the clock. So I'm not expecting no, but it's still a part of my daily skincare. Right? This is True Radiance also. Oh wait, Black Radiance concealer. So this should be the one that I use for highlighting. I'll tell you the shade. Or it does a 30 light. It's a concealer. So I use this for highlighting under the eyes and so forth. So let's say it's a little experiment I'm doing, okay? This is the gel eyeliner. I saw something on TikTok that says they can use it to line the lips as well, to do your lip combo. So I'm going to try this out. So I think you should stay tuned. I'm going to try something probably on live, but I probably do different clips on a next phone that I can upload on YouTube, right? So this now is a lip. What is now? Almost this now? Lip on a lip gloss, lipstick and lip stain. I don't even have a mirror. Hold on. Yes, so I have it on. I'll put a close-up photo. I don't put it on so well, but I like it. But enough put on so good because you just saw a little thing, you know. You guys are complaining about the video being long and all these things, so I feel cute and pretty. Oh my god! So you know the drill. All links will be in the description. It feels like a lip gloss, like a pigmented lip gloss. That's how it feels. But it's really cute, and it's in this. This is number 110. As I say, I'll link everything in the description box, right? So if you like it, you see it, you like it, you want it, just buy it, all right? So these are part of my makeup stuff. Just part of them, right? So check out the TikTok live when I'll be doing this on live, when I'll be actually applying makeup to my skin. I can't yet because I have a little pimple over here, so I don't know where it comes from. I'm trying to hide it. So that's box number 1. What is in this in box number 2? Ah. So in box number 2, so this is a carbon monoxide alarm. So I may not watch news on a regular, but I do scroll on IG and I do see the stories of carbon monoxide poisoning right in hotels and so forth, right? So this is a nice travel size one because you know the girl go places at times. So this can stay in my suitcase, right? It's pretty small. I have one at home, even though, you know, but I still have one at home. Not this one though, it's a little bigger. But this one is pretty neat. So you just slide it. What you do? You think you just put in was a 2 battery in it or whatever. Sure. No, I'm gonna try to figure it out, but I'm not going to. So it's small and you just lick it. Put in the palm. So you can throw it in a suitcase for the persons who travel to different hotels and so forth. Better safe than sorry, okay? Because as you know, with this type of gas, you can't smell it, you can't taste it or anything. So it's very deadly. Alright. As I said before, I'm in my era. So this is like a Korean thing. The face shop, like a cleansing oil for your makeup, like a remover, and followed by the foaming cleanser. So as I said, girls should experiment, and I can't wait to see what unfolds. So what else now? Oh, my next thing to try on. Hold on. You know, say check this again. You know, say we've done the video, right? We've done the video and everything, outro, everything, and the next my comedy of on did like I wonder what the device stopped. Jesus, I've seen it. I'm not gonna figure it out. I don't know. You see, if it blank out, my just voice out because listen. But anyways, I was showing you guys about this. It's the Haru Haru Wonder Black Rice Moisture Airy Fit Daily Sunscreen SPF 50, right? So it is unscented, so it's good for sensitive skin. like myself, or all skin type basically. So me I'll put this on clean and show you. Anyways, this is it again. Let me double check this again because okay, green. Alright. So I'm just cat rolling cause so it glides on it pretty nicely and it absorbs quickly. I was said before it is unscented. So I'll be adding this to my skincare routine for the morning. Already did for night and day, but um let me see. Yeah. So I'll be adding this to my routine for the morning skincare routine, right? So yeah, I have the Aveeno using now, and I think I have a Cetaphil, but Cetaphil it does give a little white cast. So I saw this on TikTok. Because really TikTok led me to purchase this along with some of these lip color and those stuff. TikTok natural because as I said before, I am revisiting that era, soft girl era or whatever. So yeah, what was I saying? I don't remember what I was saying. Tell the gut truth. But thank you for watching. That's basically what I have to show you. So you'll see the live. Just follow me on all socials at petals underscore discovery, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. And please subscribe to my channel, YouTube channel, because I really want to reach my next milestone of 200 subscribers until we reach the 1,000, and then we'll continue growing and growing and growing. So please like, share, comment. When you comment, it shows engagement, and YouTube will probably push out to other persons. So comment, share. Shares are pretty important. Like, and as I said before, please subscribe. So yeah. What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? I'm feeling. I know all that posture. Bad posture. So check me out on the next video, which I wanted to do the next video right now, but I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure I'm not gonna film anything else after this. But I have a next video to show you guys, which will be pretty short. Of some more Amazon stuff. Alright. So thank you for watching. This lip color is not show like that. It's just more like a glossy look. But I'll still take a photo and put in the frame somewhere. And yeah, all links in the description box below. You can also subscribe to my link tree because I do get some codes from Amazon that I should be uploading. So you guys can get it. It's from all categories, right? So you can check that out as well. And see you in the next video. Bye.